Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Measure app and granting camera and motion access. This lets the phone track distance. Point the camera at the object and slowly move to frame its edge. Tap the plus or the white circle to set the start point. You want a clear corner or edge. Once placed, move the phone along the object's length until the guide reaches the end. Tap again to finalize the measurement. This records a digital ruler reading. Once you have a rough measurement, refine it by aligning the overlay grid or using the level tool to keep the phone parallel. You can pinch to zoom on the live view for finer placement of the start and end points. This reduces parallax error. Make sure the measurement units match your need, inches or centimeters. If measuring height or a complex shape, add multiple points and let Measure show segment totals. Save a photo of the result for record keep. To finish, tap Save Photo so you have a visual record with the measurement overlay. You can share or annotate that image later. If you need a precise total, tap additional points and let Measure some segments automatically. Make sure to reopen the app and recenter if the readout drifts. If numbers look wrong, restart the app, toggle camera and motion permissions, and retry. Recalibration usually fixes accuracy issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.